Hello my dear traders. In this video I'm going to explain the price action for 27th December 2024. This is a tricky one. If you want to learn the actual day trading, watch this video. Day trading is something that is very unique and high income skill. It takes some experience to know about the markets. Once you know about the markets, it takes some more time to make money from the markets. If you agree to this, please give me a like and share this in your trading community. Let me explain this in detail. Why I am saying this required some experience. So let me show you the high profitability trade locations that I have marked yesterday. If you are watching my channel for the first time, I'll mark the levels for tomorrow today itself. Okay, just like this, you can see the red lines here. I'm interested to take the trade at these lines. Hope you guys understand. Now, what makes day trading hard is the split second decisions. Every day you have to take the decisions at that moment. When you are taking the decisions at the moment, the decisions could be wrong also. Even though you have the excellent system, as I am having CPR system, you may have some other systems, or you want to learn CPR system, right? So here it is. Every day you need to take some unique actions to take the trade. So let me explain the previous day's highly profitable trade locations, and in this video I am going to decode where you have to enter. There are two opportunities here in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let me explain them in detail. Okay, let's go to Nifty first. How many of you know that if the price closes above R1, okay, if the price closes above R1 and the previous day's high PDH, previous day's high, this is a bullish action to take. You need to go bullish at this point. So this exactly happened in Nifty here. This is the R1 and previous day high. Okay, the candle, this candle 925 candle closes above the R1 and the previous day high, which is an indication for bullish trade. So here is the trick. When you mark these levels red, this is an indication for, see, this is an indication for bearish interest. Okay, if I mark these these lines are green lines, I am interested to be bullish at those locations. Now here is the real tricky part. So once the candle closes above this, actually I have marked it as, you can see this red one, see this red one I have marked here yesterday. So what happens, I want it to be bullish at here. Okay, I'm really sorry, I want it to be bearish here. So what decision I have to take here, whether I have to be bullish or I have to be bearish, because there are two conflicts here. The first conflict is I wanted to be bearish at this location, and the another conflict is the price closed above R1 and the previous day high. So what decision I have to take in Nifty in order to make money? So I'll explain this in depth. Please listen to this carefully, because these are like paid content. When you understand this, you will be one step ahead of your trading career. So see here, actually I wanted to be bearish in Bank Nifty also. Okay, in Bank Nifty also I wanted to be bearish. You can see here, this is the first 5-minute candle is the bullish candle, that too taking place from our highly profitable trade location, which is opposite to us. We wanted to be bearish, we are expecting a bearish candle, but to the contrary to that, it is a 5-minute bullish candle. So what we have to do at this situation? Okay, if you watch my previous videos, I am a big fan of ATST. Have you heard about ATST on this channel? If yes, comment S in the comment box. ATST in the sense at the same time. At the same time. Okay. For example, the prices of Bank Nifty is taking support at some important level. At the same time, Nifty is also taking support at some important level. We call it as ATST. Now you can see here, observe this really carefully. Okay, so I wanted to be bearish here. Both sides, both are giving me bullish candles. Okay, once the price closes above the CPR, this is an indication that it is going to be bullish. Okay, until now this is our expectation. So you can see here the first 5-minute candle is some kind of rejection, but the body is green candle. So we don't have any entry at this point. We will see if there is any, because at this point we don't know this price is going to move up like this. Okay, still we are expecting a bearish candle at the CPR and at this level to take the trade. So listen this carefully. This is very important golden nugget for you. Okay, the next candle is a rejection candle. Okay, the next candle is a green candle. So there is no confirmation to move up like this. If it is going to be like this, there is no confirmation. What you can think is, see, this is a bullish kind of candle. If you want to enter here, there is an immediate resistance. When there is an immediate resistance, what happens? Immediately higher chances to the price to reject. Okay, higher chances. So there is no opportunity on the second candle also. Now you can check the third candle, which is like a pin bar, which is indicating this small line. This small line is indicating here buyers are there. Okay, here buyers are there. So this is the candle that has formed. Now the actual trade takes place here, and you know what, we wanted to be bearish at this candle, and this 925 candle closes above this level. Now here comes the concept of R1, previous day high. Previous day high and R1 crossed here. So here we have some kind of sentiment change. Right now I have the vision that the price is going to move upwards, because both the indices at the same time are at bullish locations. Actually, before the market opens, our wish is this: we wanted to be bearish in the market, but during the market hours, with the price action, our interest changed from bearish to bullish. Most of the novice traders face difficulty with this concept, because they expect that there is going to be a fall from here, because the CPR system says that you have to be bearish here. Okay, this is the main reason why people lost their money, because they cannot take this loss, because when they see the red candle here with good confidence, they will take with high position sizing. So once it closes above this, their stop loss triggers, and they sense the betrayal of the market against them. No, it's not betrayal, there is a science behind it. Okay, so see here, at this candle, both the 925 candles are at bullish locations. Now the bearish action turns into bullish action. Okay, now where we have to enter? We can enter at Nifty after the close of this candle, or we can enter at Bank Nifty. Okay, this is how you have to trade. What is the confidence here? The confidence here is both the indices are at ATST at the same time in the bullish locations, even though we are expecting bearish action. So you have to change from bearish to bullish view. After this candle, there are two red candles which doubt the doubt our decision. But what happens here? The candle took support at this area and there is a green candle. This type of analysis comes with you with some experience. With some experience, without beating yourself. Beating yourself in the sense without having the pressure of making profits. You have to follow the process. You have to maintain your trading journal. Okay, this is how you have to day trade. So here, if you enter at this candle, you can place your stop loss below this middle CPR. Okay, you can place your stop loss, but I don't suggest you to take the trade in Bank Nifty, because when you enter here, your stop loss will be really high. You enter here, just a moment, you have to place your stop loss somewhere here. Okay, by giving your some kind of a buffer to the price to move. What I suggest is enter at the Nifty. Okay, enter at the Nifty, even though it is a big one. When there is some retracement here, with your analysis and experience, you should take the trade at this red candle, taking the advantage of some discount. Okay, of some discount, you have to enter somewhere here, place your stop loss below this entry candle. Or if you have position size yourself, like if you trade 10 lots every day, you can take 5 lots on this candle. It's according to your wish. This is another aspect. Choosing which index to enter is also a important aspect of making money. That's why no trainer or no person could guarantee the mentee, okay, the mentee in the sense the student, that it will give them profits, because the decision has to taken by the student or the mentee, not the mentor. The mentor gives you the system, okay, the system, the knowledge, which reduces your learning curve, not it gives you the profits. Understand this carefully. Once you understand this, your playing the game is really different level. Okay, so what you have to do, if you have taken your trade here, your target should be next pivot. Okay, as expected, next pivot reached and there is a rejection. Okay, so what I would suggest, if you enter at Nifty, once Bank Nifty reaches at this point 51,622 point, you have to exit the trade. So if you watch my previous videos also, I play the certain. I don't take big profits on a single day, because I know that 70% of the time the indices stays sideways. If I'm expecting 70% of the time the market move in a trending way, I will be a losing trader. So I play the certain. So what I have to do is at 10:10 I will exit the trade. And you have to understand this. At this point I don't know that the next moment is going to be like this. What I know is there is a chance to reversal. Okay, because there is a rejection area here. So if you have entered here, your exit candle should be 10:10 candle. Okay, that means this candle close should be your exit. Why? Because at the same time it is facing some rejection, it is near the resistance. You have to exit your trade. On this particular day, it has rejected from this level. like see, it has rejected from this level. Again, we don't know that this will happen. Okay, we don't know that this will happen right now. What we know is there is a chance to rejection. So we play the certain. If you taken the trade here at this point, you have to if you take your trade at this point, you have to exit at this point. That's it. Even though, listen this, even though it is like this moving, see, even though it is moving like this, you have to exit at this point, because you don't know this rejection will be rejected like this, or it closes above, or it closes above this candle and moves in this direction. You don't know it. You play the setting. Now, you don't know this concept. Okay? You don't know this concept, and you are following the CPR system in Bank Nifty. This is the highly profitable trade location we have marked yesterday, and we wanted to be bearish here. Once you saw a bearish candle rejecting from this level, I will show you clearly. Once you saw a bearish candle rejecting at this level, you can take the trade. Place your stop loss above this candle. Okay, above this candle, and wait for the price to reach the CPR level. Okay, this is how dynamically you have to take the decisions in the live market. Listen this, if it is going like this also, you should not hurt yourself by missing all this money, blah blah blah. Some kind of emotional struggle is there in your mind. No, you have to play the certain. Okay, this is how you have to analyze the price action. Traders say that price action is the master. Price action, price action, price action. With the CPR pivot points, with my experience, this is the price action. If you don't know this kind of price action, you will take the trades at this level, because this is a certain way to trade with CPR pivot points. One more important power of confluence is here. This is the red line we have marked. This is like swing high. You can see here, once the price rejected from this level, closes below this level, there is a big fall. Why? Because traders will sit here to reject this level. Okay, traders will sit here to reject this level. Once they saw this big red candle, there is a confirmation that sellers present here. Keeping in mind, there is a chance to trigger their stop loss. There is a chance to the price to move against them. They place their stop losses. Even though they are 10 years experienced traders, they should place their stop losses. Otherwise, nobody can tell you whether the price goes like this or goes against you. If you like this content really, please like. That would give me great motivation to do such videos. And share this in your trading community. Subscribe to this channel for more information like this, price action related, CPR pivot point strategies, and many more. Thank you so much.